Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here. And up to now, you've been practicing with our vocab and definitions to really begin to identify what concepts we understand and what concepts maybe we need more practice with. And the next thing we're going to be doing is taking a Quizlet practice test to really test our understanding of this knowledge so that we can then apply it to other areas within our class and other questions that might show up on our test. So, we're going to be covering how to create a Quizlet practice test in this video and how to complete the next step where you actually take the test. So when we're done, we'll come back to the survey and kind of identify, do we understand how to create the test and how to complete the next task? So on the next slide for task number 3, you're going to be clicking on the practice test link here, setting up your settings so that you create a specific type of test, and then screenshotting your results. You're looking to take a test and score 70% or higher, or a score that's high enough that makes you feel happy. Whatever one comes first. And we're going to kind of walk through how you do that. So when you click on the link here, you're going to be pulling up a already pre-made test. And you're first going to have to go to the options button in the bottom left corner. Once you're here, you're going to set up your settings to match what you saw on the slide. So you're going to have the written box checked. Everything else is unchecked underneath it. No images. You're going to have 7 questions to match the 7 vocab words that we have. You're going to answer with the term or the vocab word, and you're going to be prompted or questioned with the definition. So when you hit create new test, you're going to see here that you have our 7 vocab definitions, and you need to type in the 7 words that well match them. As you go through, you'll answer all of your questions with all of our vocab words. And when you're done, you'll go to the very bottom and you'll click check results. From here, you'll get your grade and you'll see what you obviously identified correctly, which ones you didn't identify correctly. Make sure you retake it until you get a 70% or a grade higher than that you are happy with. And then you can do that by creating a new test. So take a second, go back to our survey. Do we understand how to create a Quizlet practice test going through those options, and then how to complete the next task where we screenshot our results? If so, put an X in the green row. If one of those things are confusing, in the yellow, and if both, in the red. Reach out if you have questions, and good luck.